Hi, 7th graders. I wanted to go over the next step for your writing for your paper. Today is focused on continuing to develop that research, but really kind of outlining it to help you make a decision about which topic you want to choose. If you're already starting to lean toward one, I suggest you work through that one and see how it fits. And then when you're done with that, if you really like what you've accomplished, stick with it. If you feel like you're still not quite sure, then go ahead and pick another topic that you've thought about and work through that. I have added this to your lesson for today, but also to the Art of Argument notes for your assignment under the writing. So this document will be in two places just so it's easy for you to access. So today what I want you to do, it's under when making a claim. So that one bullet point, when making a claim, underneath it there's a bunch of information that I want you to look at. It is how to kind of make a little bit of an outline for your paper and to get some ideas about what research you have. So when you are making a claim, my example is competitive sports is a positive experience for youth because kids can grow from the experience by developing athletically, learning team building skills, and learning discipline. So there are three reasons I'm giving for why competitive sports are a positive. So reason number one I would break down, and the outline is here on this paper that I'm talking about. Reason number one is because they develop athletically. So then I need to give at least two pieces of evidence under that to prove that. So evidence A for me is they practice athletically. It helps kids become stronger as athletes. So that practice, that continual work continues to help build them as stronger athletes. My evidence B is when young people are a part of a team, they are motivated to work on their own skills to help benefit the team. So athletically, they are developing as a part of competitive sports because of the nature of being on a team. My reason number two is they're learning team building skills. Evidence A is that working on a team teaches young people how to contribute to a group. There's lots of different things that happen that within a team that show people how to work within a group. So that's evidence A. Evidence B is working on a team helps teach every person the role they play on the team, how important each person is, and that their contribution matters. Then my third reason is learning discipline. So evidence A for learning discipline is that the practice takes hard work, and when young people keep showing up to every practice, that shows discipline. Evidence B is continually practicing to improve teaches discipline. So if you keep on working on the same skill to better yourself and to grow, that teaches discipline where you stick to something until you can accomplish or reach your goal. So that's kind of a breakdown of what I'm looking for you to help continue to develop your paper. Now, this isn't something you have to turn in, but it will be something that is expected that you have as a part of your writing. So an outline will help you write better. So I'm not asking you to turn it in. I'm just asking you to have some sort of jot in your notebook or on a piece of paper that you're using for this paper and kind of developing that outline. So you should have at the top what you're claiming to be true, and then under that you want to highlight three different reasons, and you could state that in your claim as well. And then under each reason, you should have at least two pieces of evidence to back up what you're saying. So if you have any questions about this, go ahead and email me. I'm not asking you to turn anything in today. I'm just asking you to continue to develop that research. And now looking at that research that you've done, you're going to kind of outline it to see if you have a strong enough amount of information or if you have a strong enough argument to write that paper. So here's my recommendation. If you fill out this outline and you don't have enough, there's one of two things you can do. One is just keep digging for more research. Do a little more research, and now that you have this outline, it can help guide you in an area that you need to research. So that would be one. Number two would be to pick a different topic and work through that. So if this isn't strong enough, then maybe there's something else that you can work on. So that is your kind of next step for your process today. Really, it's just continuing to research and kind of just outlining what that research shows for the work you've already done, and maybe where the gaps are that you can now fill in with more research. All right, I hope you guys are having a good day. I'll send another YouTube video tomorrow explaining the next step. Thanks for your hard work, and take care.